Hey guys, welcome everyone, welcome to another episode of my vlog. And today's vlog is all about the MRF tire for the Himalayan rear wheel. As you can see in the thumbnail and description that I'm going to change my rear tire for the Himalayan, and this one is the MRF tire, and right now I will unbox it. So I have ordered from Amazon and I have got it in an offer of 2900 rupees, and this comes with the tube also. As you can see, here is the tube. So before wasting any time, just unwrap it. And also here the max cold pressure is mentioned 280 kPa or 41 psi. So it's good that all the specifications are mentioned in the tire, so there will be no confusion. And let's just flip the tire, and this is the tire size. Here 120 by 90 by 17 and by C64H, and it is mentioned over here that tube tire ring fitted tube. So basically it is a tubeless tire, but in case of a ring we can use this tube. And I'm not sure this tube is from MRF because it doesn't look new. I have to check it whether the tube is from MRF or a local brand. Okay, the MRF branding is here. So now I will check that if the tube is from MRF or not. Tube looks old, like it is mentioned as 4th Jan 23, and also the tube size is the correct one, 120 by 90 by 17. No, okay, it is MRF tube as it is mentioned over here, made in India. It's MRF tube. So one more thing, I forgot to show you the tire bit. The bits in this tire looks pretty good, and it's a round shape bit, not like the C8 one. The C8 one is like a flat bit, and in this tire, in this corner, it's a bit round over there, and in the C8 tire it's a straight, I mean like the flat one. I will show you side by side difference, but let's just show you the bit. It looks good, very good, and the bit is also much higher. You can see this much height is there, similar to a new C8 tire or a bit much from C8. So let's fit with my bike. So here is the side-by-side difference between the MRF tire and the C8 tire. As you can see, there is a much difference in the edge. As you can see, this is a flat grip tire and this is a round grip tire. So the bit is a little bit higher, as you can see in the MRF, and in the C8, when it was a new tire, the bit is it might be a 1 mm or 2 mm smaller bit size in the C8, but C8 also a good tire. The only problem I faced with the C8 is that the longevity of the C8 tire is a bit low, around 8,000, maximum 10,000 kilometer, and after that I have to change the C8 tire. So after changing this C8 tire, it is around 10,000 kilometer. I ride this bike, and this is the condition of the C8 tire. It can run up to around till now 2000 to 3000 kilometer. I'm not sure, but this is the situation. The Middle bit is not much there. As you can see, the side bit is there. This is the actual bit size, but in the middle there is almost the bit is gone. So that's why I was thinking to change the tire, and I couldn't get much options. Then I have seen this MRF tire in Amazon, because this tire, MRF Mogrip, I think this tire is not even available to the local shop. So that's why I choose the MRF tire from Amazon. Even when I was buying this MRF tire, I was a bit confused, because the reviews are not all positive. There's a mixed reviews, and I was a little bit confused and not sure about the originality of this MRF tire, because some of the reviewers mention over there that the tube is not from the MRF, but my tube is from MRF, as I have shown you. So let's change the tire and the tube and see the difference between these two things. And I'm also curious about the mileage. So finally we got the MRF tire on my Himalayan, and it looks perfect. It looks more stylish than the stock CA tire, and as you can see, I have already changed the stock tire. This is the profile of the tire. It's a bit round one. As you can see, my stock tire was flat bit, and it's a bit round one from here. This side you can see it's a curve on the edge, on the side edge actually. And the first ride experience is kind of a mixed. I will update you about the tire characteristics while I was riding in the next video, so stay tuned for the next update on the MRF tire. And here is my CA tire. Some bits left over there, so I am planning to change it again to see it after like 10-12,000. So let's see what is the profile of this tire. I mean, I will go for a short ride around 100 km, 100 km, and then I will come to a conclusion, a solid conclusion about these two tire profiles. Let's see you in the next video. Bye bye.